Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Salman Iqbal. I am expert usability and design. This is my title. I have done my MBA in marketing and management and my bachelor was in business administration from FAST University Islamabad. मेरा मास्टर्स स्वीडन से था from Mid Sweden University. I have in total experience of 8+ years in consumer research and consumer insights from both markets in Europe and also in Pakistan. This is very interesting question. Okay, what is UI and what is UX, or what does a UI UX researcher do in daily tasks? UI UX is a new emerging concept for a lot of digital companies. For example, we talk about Google, आपके Airbnb, आपके Amazon. So all these digital companies have separate departments which is called UI design and UI research. इसमें basically there are two elements. UI means user interface and UX means user experience. So ये they are both related to digital platforms. वो आपकी apps हो सकती हैं, वो आपके websites हो सकती हैं, online stores हो सकते हैं. So what is important whenever a user is coming to a website or an app, they must have a very good and seamless experience. For that, companies have to invest and companies have to improve their websites and apps on a daily basis. उसके लिए UX जब हम user experience की बात करते हैं, so they need to improve the websites by testing to ask the consumers and to test the website from their users which are their daily consumers. Okay, so my daily task looks like I have to conduct usability studies on a regular basis. These usability studies are requested by the product teams so that whenever there is a need to understand the issues on a app, for example, they ask me to conduct a usability study and to understand how they can improve it. So this is my basic role of this job. There is a complete process in this UX design or UX research, which is like study design, data collection, data processing and analyzing, and then reporting. So जो भी यूज़ेबिलिटी होती है उसके रिज़ल्ट्स टीम के साथ, प्रोडक्ट के साथ हम शेयर करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद इम्प्लीमेंट होते हैं. देन वी चेक अगेन कि वो उसका इम्पैक्ट कितना हुआ है आफ्टर चेंजिंग द डिज़ाइन. UI UX रिसर्चर और डिज़ाइनर के लिए बेसिक बैकग्राउंड होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. For that, one must have a degree in, let's say, business or computer science, or even human to computer interaction. So these are the degrees which you can have, and you can have this role of UI or UX designer. When we specifically talk about UX UI designer or researcher scope in Pakistan, इसमें I see things are getting much better compared to last 5 years. For example, reason being कि यहाँ पर digital products और digital companies बहुत ज़्यादा evolve कर रही हैं, जिसमें हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे नाम हैं. For example, दराज, करीम, आपके जितने भी ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज हैं, so they are really getting very good. Still there is a lot of room for improvement, which means कि ये फील्ड और ज़्यादा इवॉल्व होगी आगे आने वाले कुछ सालों में. My suggestion to students who want to be in this profession or who want to choose a UI UX design or research field is that anyone who is having interest in consumer research or anyone who is having a interest for designs or creativity, so they can start learning about these skills, and with time they can get more interest in this. First of all, you have to understand and you have to figure out what are your strengths and what are your core skills which you can further develop on, जिसमें research एक बहुत major skill है. To be curious, if you are a curious person, you can relate to this field. If you want to improve things, ये अगर आपके एक core skill है तो you can also find yourself fit in this field.